Good morning, health lovers. Want to supercharge your energy, boost your metabolism, and stay full until lunchtime? In today's video, we'll explore the top 10 morning foods you should eat every day to feel your absolute best. Whether you want to improve digestion, lose weight, or just start your day right, these foods are nutritional game changers. So grab a healthy drink, get comfy, and let's dive right in. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips every week. At number 1, we have oats, the ultimate morning fuel. Oats are high in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps lower cholesterol and keeps you full longer. They stabilize blood sugar and improve digestion. Top them with fruits, nuts, or seeds for a powerhouse breakfast. Next up, eggs, rich in high-quality protein and essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline. Eggs support brain health and muscle building. They're versatile, filling, and help reduce calorie intake throughout the day. Coming in at number 3 is Greek yogurt. It's packed with probiotics for gut health and protein to keep you full. Plus, it's lower in sugar than regular yogurt. Add berries and a drizzle of honey, and you've got a delicious, digestion-friendly breakfast. Berries aren't just sweet, they're superfoods. Loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. Berries support your immune system and fight inflammation. Toss them into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a colorful health boost. Bananas need quick energy. Go bananas. They're rich in potassium, which helps control blood pressure, and their natural sugars provide a perfect pre-workout snack. Pair with peanut butter or oatmeal for a complete breakfast. Chia seeds. Tiny but mighty chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fiber, and protein. They help keep you hydrated and support digestion. Make chia pudding the night before, or sprinkle into smoothies and cereals. Whole grain toast. Ditch the white bread. Whole grain toast provides complex carbs, B vitamins, and fiber to fuel your morning. Top it with avocado, nut butter, or eggs for a balanced bite. Nuts and nut butters. Nuts and nut butters are great sources of healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. They help you feel full and satisfied. Green tea. Skip the sugary drinks. Green tea is a gentle caffeine source packed with antioxidants like EGCG, which boost metabolism and protect your brain. Avocado. Last but not least, avocado. Creamy, delicious, and full of monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium. Want to take it further? Mix and match. A breakfast of oats plus berries plus nuts, or eggs plus avocado toast plus green tea. It's a perfect combo for lasting energy. There you have it, 10 amazing morning foods to energize your day and support your health. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Research and Health Media, and turn on notifications so you never miss a healthy tip.